Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It is Riptide here and I'm recording this video on Christmas. So Merry Christmas everyone who celebrates it and Happy Holidays. So yeah, these are a couple things I got for Christmas. I do have some other Pokemon stuff to unbox. So look out for a lot of Pokemon unboxing content. But yeah, right now this video we got just to show Vaporeon Pokemon Funko Pop, and then what this video is mainly going to be about is Pokemon Roaring Moon EX box. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm pretty excited. Here we go. It has been so long since we unboxed something like this. Can't forget the giant card that they still just shove in there to make it more expensive. But here it is. Don't know what to do with that. Just put it over there. Okay. We have this Brute Bonnet. Very nice. And we have this Ancient Booster Energy Capsule, a Pokemon Tool Trainer. Don't really know why they needed to have this as one of the promo cards, but cool, I guess. I know it's supposed to benefit the ancient Pokemon, so it's supposed to go with Roaring Moon and Brute Bonnet. So there is that. I'm trying to angle the camera a bit better. The prize card, Roaring Moon, looks very nice. One of my favorite Paradox Pokemon. Okay, we have 4 packs to open, so let's get into it. I think we're gonna start off with the Garchomp. We have 2 Paradox Rift and 1 Paldea Evolved and 1 Obsidian Flames. Okay. Water Energy, Tandemaus, Dwebble, Whismur, Doublade, Simisage, Trainer, Slitherwing, Trainer, Reverse Hollow Tinkatink, and a Hollow Milotic. Okay, that's the first pack. Got this one next, Armarouge. Okay. Energy, Wimpod, Elekid, Tingatuff, Trubbish, Energy, Iron Bundle, very nice, Gliscor, Reverse Hollow Thievul, Reverse Hollow Simisear, and oh my gosh, yo, Mewtwo EX Terra. Yo, that's cool. Not sure if this card is expensive, but I think it is. I know it's pretty rare. Wow, that's cool. I was not expecting to get this. That is super cool. Okay. Well, I'm calling that a win. Okay. which one do we do next? We'll do Obsidian Flames. We're going for it. Okay. Energy. Salandit. Electric, I mean, Larvitar, Magnemite, Sharpedo, Espeon, Floatzel, Larvesta, Reverse Hollow Larvesta, Reverse Hollow Houndoom, I like that, and a Hollow Scizor. Okay. We have one more. I'm gonna assume that the Mewtwo EX is the highlight of the packs, but you never know. This is one of the first types of Scarlet and Violet packs, so kind of went in backwards order there, but maybe that means there's gonna be something good here. Energy. Marill, Wingull, Pineco, Item, Trainer, Florigato, Quaxwell, a Reverse Hollow Snover, Reverse Hollow Gothita, and a Hollow Baxcalibur. So, the highlight of the packs is this super cool Mewtwo EX. Very nice. Terrestrialized. And then we got the co-cards here with it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Keep an eye out for the other videos. And I'll see you all later. Bye.
3, 2, 1.